Good morning and welcome to the Forex Daily Update, brought to you by Pepperstone on Tuesday the 13th of February 2018. I'm Darren Sinden and you can follow me throughout the day on Twitter by using @ds_Pepperstone. Right, overnight changes and price moves to be aware of. I just want to flag a couple of points here. First of all, Euro gaining by around 0.2% against the dollar yesterday. Sterling doing likewise, a gain of 0.25% for the British pound against the dollar. Meanwhile, the yen strengthening by around 0.5%, and the Swiss franc clawing back 0.3% against the dollar. We'll see here as well at 89.95 the dollar index has fallen below that key 90 level. No sign yet of strong safe haven flows into the two safe haven currencies, but it is interesting to see the dollar drift. In the world of cryptocurrencies, a bit more rationality in the price moves of late, and there seems to be some kind of correlation across the moves as well. Bitcoin, Ether and Ripple all down by just over 3.5% on the day so far. Right, what's on the calendar? Events that may move the markets in today's session. A quite compact calendar here. I've just concentrated on the higher impact events. We've already had a speech from the Bank of Japan's Governor Kuroda that was out at 10 to 1 this morning. And the main focus for the rest of the day is on the UK. And at 9:30, in fact, for a raft of UK inflation data, retail price, producer price and consumer price index data out for January, month on month and year on year measures across all of those metrics. Then we jump forward to 1300 for our second central bank speech, and this time it's the FOMC member Meister who will be talking, and then there's a gap as far as high impact data is concerned all the way around to 23:30 until we get the Westpac consumer confidence data for February out of Australia. Right, breaking news and comment then that's caught my eye overnight. Relatively quiet news flow wise, but we have seen solid gains in US equity markets to start the week, and in fact that brings the best two-day gains since 2013 according to the FT. Meanwhile, China and the Philippines are set to begin discussions over territorial claims in the South China Sea today. Pressure continues to mount on South African leader Jacob Zuma to go. You may remember he was ousted as boss of the ANC, and now the pressure is continuing to mount for him to resign as the leader of the country. And Australian business sentiment has posted its highest reading for 9 months in data released overnight. Right, food for thought then, something to take away with you into the trading day and beyond. And think about this. We hope and expect that life will improve for the next generation, but that hope seems to have been fading in modern America. And even as US unemployment falls to near record lows, long-term trends in income mean that less than 50% of those born in the last 30 years will earn more than their parents did. It's quite a sobering thought, this. And the chart here from Algebris, from their Equality of Opportunity project, shows the long-term decline in the percentage of offspring earning more than their parents in North America. Right, take a moment please to read the risk warning. Trading CFDs and foreign exchange on margin can be a risky business. If you're in any doubt about those risks or the suitability of leverage products for you, then please do contact your Pepperstone account representative.